Hello, Pathfinders. Many of us are stuck at home this week and you might be wondering what to do with your time. I recommend checking out the Pathfinder Lego Design Honor. Why? Well, I wrote it. Here's a good set that might be helpful, but the problem with this set is it doesn't have minifigures or wheels and stuff like that. Some of the requirements ask you to build vehicles. Here's another great set, but unfortunately, it doesn't have a lot of color options. And although it has wheels and minifigs, it might not be quite right for some of the requirements. This is the set that I have used to teach the honor in the past, and I strongly recommend using this one. It's about $35 at Walmart. It's 790 pieces and comes with a bunch of all the pieces that you will need to be able to complete the requirements. However, it doesn't have any minifigs, and having a few minifigs floating around will actually make it really easy. One of the key requirements is that you do a school project or tell a children's story using Lego. So I recommend you shoot a video like this and share it with your Pathfinder Club director or your pastor, and then have them share it with the rest of the club or church. So hopefully you can get inspired like I have. And this is one of my builds from a couple of years ago, but it's how I really learned how to use Lego to tell others about God. So I hope that you use this opportunity to use Lego to tell other people about your faith. And if for some reason you don't like Lego, you can always try out silk screening. This shirt was made by one of my Pathfinders years ago who's currently a student at Andrews University. So stay safe, God bless, and have a great time being creative.